Hey everyone, today I'll show you how to create and customize spending goals in the Moneyhub app so you can stay on top of your budget. Now, first open the Moneyhub app and log in. From the home screen, tap goals or go to the budgeting section, tap create new goal and choose what you are saving for, like a holiday emergency fund or paying off debt. Now enter your goal name, target amount, and target date if you have one. Next, you can link your goal to a specific account or category. For example, set a monthly spending limit on groceries or entertainment, so you know when you are close to overspending. Now, customize your goal further by adjusting the monthly amount you want to put aside, and choose whether you want MoneyHub to track it automatically based on your transactions. Now, once you are happy, save your goal. MoneyHub will now track your progress and show you how much you have saved and how far you have to go, helping you stay motivated and on budget. That's it. Your spending goals are set and customized. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like, subscribe for more quick money tips. And yeah, always just like comment anything you got like a doubt on about. Until then, I'll catch you in the next video.